Now we will be discussing about the problem areas. So seats are 20.
Yeah, you can.
Engineering by how many? Somewhere close to like
1.5 lakh around.
1.25 lakhs. Category 1, category 2 colleges. 1.2
Good colleges.
good colleges. Category 1, category 2. NEET के case में
2 lakhs around, you can say.
2 lakhs. We are talking about the MBBS, veterinary and government seats basically. 2 lakhs के आसपास seats है. Seats are 20. Now let's come to the problem area. So at this point, if we talk about 10th standard, this point, because majority of the students starts preparing in the 11th, after 10th basically. So 10th standard at this point of time, 25 lakh students all over India starts preparing. 20 to 25. They start preparing, and I don't say that they start thinking. They join some coaching institute. They start spending money basically, and parents spend the money when they see the caliber.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about some 25 lakh students. Parents will see the caliber, and these students will start preparing. So at this point of time, if I go for statistical analysis, so this 25 is not only for combined. 25
is the mains basically.
Engineering.
25
is engineering. NEET 40
lakh students every year.
35 to 40 lakh students start preparing. Now, seats are, if I talk about engineering only, 1.25 lakh seats are there. So at this point of time, the ratio is 1:15. Meaning 15 students who are preparing for engineering, only one will be getting
selected.
The same way in NEET. 15
more
students preparing, only one will be getting selected. So the failure ratio is pretty heavy and very, very heavy. The ratio is very heavy. The chances are not good. At this point of time, if we do the calculation, the chances are not good. एक बच्चे का होगा 14 नहीं होने वाले, 14 नहीं होने वाले. Very bad ratio.
But ये तो 10th का story है.
The student will not be writing the exam in 10th because they are preparing for something which they will be writing in the after 12th.
After 2 years.
So what happened after 1 year? After 1 year, when the 11th end will be coming, all over India, out of the 25 lakh students, 10 to 12 lakh students are remaining. 10 to 12 lakhs. Same, approximately same figure in case of NEET. Rest, they give up. Give up in the sense, mentally they give up. They might keep doing the coaching, but
give up कर दिए. नहीं उनका ढूंढना किस हो गया
उनका सिंपल हो जाता, डोनेशन देंगे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में
रिपीट करेंगे, एक साल ड्रॉप लेंगे, कुछ करेंगे,
यूएससी एमएससी
करेंगे, कुछ ना प्रिपेयर नहीं करना, ठीक कोचिंग में चल रहा है.
MIT is there, a lot of institutes are there.
Many types of parents also don't know कि they are like student already gave up.
Yeah, they will never tell. They will never tell
कि they gave up.
The student generally they don't tell. Mentally they give up. Generally the teachers are able to know who has given up.
But they will never tell parents also.
So if the kid is not giving up, बच्चे ने 1 साल निकाल लिया, let's call it L, 1 साल निकाल लिया, तो chances हो जाते हैं 1:6.
It's quite low.
Meaning if the student don't give up in the coming 1 year, out of the 6 students, 1 will be getting selected. So starting this point, out of 15, 1 will be getting selected.
Now after 1 year,
out of 6, 1 will be getting selected. If you don't give up. But exam कभी नहीं होना है.
अभी तो 1 साल और है.
When the actual exam time will come, final stage, end of 12th grade, at that point of time, 3 to 5 lakh students are remaining.
Yeah, like basically 3 lakh only.
5 मैंने बोला हुआ, but approximately 3 lakh students are remaining,
which are serious, which have those who keep struggling for 2 years continuously. They have given all the exams. Whatever they got, topper, they got in the middle.
These are not the student will be topper. No,
these
are the student who are
struggling for full 2 years.
उन्हें सोच के बैठा हुआ है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, लास्ट तक लगे रहना है.
छोड़ना नहीं है बस चीजों को.
Some of the student will be having 50% strong topic, 50% average, some will be having 30% strong, 70% average, और भी किस टाइप का चलता है.
Try the paper, that's it.
So they don't cry basically. They keep going forward for it. So if the student is not going to give up in the coming 2 years, not going to give up, the chances are 1:2.
The ratio comes to 1:3. And it's quite good compared to 1:50.
So if the student is not giving up, the chances increase from 1:50 to 1:2. Now, why I'm telling this? What's the objective of us telling this thing is, many parents, when they come to us and ask, basically, मेरे बच्चे का हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, तो their mindset is, they want to check कि बच्चे का IQ ऐसा है. They want to focus बच्चा hardworking है नहीं है,
intelligence है नहीं है.
So the thing is, coming to here, the most important property the student should have is not the IQ, is not the hard work. The first and foremost is not ability to not give up. Last तक जाना है.
Keep doing hard work.
Perseverance is the key. Till last you have to go. whatever timetable you make at T0, just keep following that timetable. There will be more bad days compared to the good days.
और बीच में सर teachers को you can contact, you can talk to your parents. Like these are the
Whenever the issue is coming, the teacher is there. You keep connecting with them, keep struggling. Till you are struggling, you are improving. That's generally my mantra. Till you are struggling, you are improving. Because improvement will be happening from the thing which you don't know. And the thing you don't know, there obviously will struggle.
You will struggle for that.
जो चीज पता है उसमें तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. So I think it coming to here, the most important factor for the selection is going to be the perseverance
of the student.
Give up नहीं करना है, लास्ट तक चलना है. स्पोर्ट्समैन में जनरली एबिलिटी होती है.
हाँ.
They know how to take the failure in the right perspective. अपना कुछ भी हो जाए लगे रहो. पैनल बनाया हुआ है, खराब हो गया एक दिन, कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट दिन बैठ जाएंगे. तो I think perseverance is the key. उसमें आपका 1:2 का रेशियो हो जाएगा. Then based upon the hard work you put up and IQ and all, the student may be getting the top seats and the down seats. But the good seats you are able to get, even if you don't have IQ, even if you are not putting the hard work compared to others, basically.
If you like, I want to say one more thing. Two more points are there. Like the student is very close to two of the.
That's the thing. Why it is happening? So perseverance is the key. Confusion में ध्यान रखना है इस चीज को. Now for the parents.
Yeah, what's the
For the parents, every parent should know. 25 lakh students start preparing. 3 lakhs will be remaining. Exam लिखने वाले JEE वाले बैठेंगे 15 लाख, NEET वाले बैठेंगे 25 lakh. But that is not the competition. Competition 3 lakhs. Every parent should know that 22 lakh students are going to give up. This is a ratio 1:8. 8 में से एक बच्चा give up. Sorry, 8 में 7
बच्चे give up
are going to give up. The thing is, every parent should be focused. 10 तक चल जाता है, स्कूल की बिल्डिंग देख लो, कम्युनिकेशन देख लो, स्पेस फैसिलिटीज सी एंड जस्ट गो फॉर इट. नहीं चला दूसरे में भेज देंगे. It will not work. Here if the student give up, everything is done. उसके बाद में आप टीचर चेंज करो, जो करो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अब इसमें फेलियर का रीजन क्या है, इसको भी राइट पर्सपेक्टिव में सीखना. Now every parent should know, like when it comes to the student, coming to year, student may be influenced by 3 set of people. स्टूडेंट 3 लोगों की सुनेगा 2 साल में स्टडीज के रिगार्डिंग. फर्स्ट फ्रॉम देयर कोचिंग, और यू कैन से टीचर एक्चुअली teachers who are in the coaching. Second, school. The school will guide them, and the parents.
Mainly roles like coaching and parents.
नहीं, स्कूल का रहता है. Lot of problems come from the school side without providing the solution. 3 लोगों की सुनेगा. अब प्रॉब्लम जानते हो कहाँ पे? 3 लोगों की सुनता है बच्चा, करेगा तीनों लोगों के हिसाब से. But when the student is not able to cope up, all 3 will blame the student. अब कोचिंग में चले जाओ, बच्चा अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है, बोलते बच्चा नहीं पढ़ रहा है. स्कूल में चले जाओ, बच्चा नहीं कर रहा है, बोल बच्चा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा है, बच्चा नहीं पढ़ रहा है. अब पेरेंट्स लास्ट में बच्चे के ऊपर ब्लेम डालना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. दिस बिकम्स द रीजन फॉर देम टू गिव अप. कि 3 लोगों की सुनते हैं, are listening to all 3 people, I'm not able to do it, that everybody is blaming me. बच्चे को पता होगा.
Self doubt, basically self doubt starts.
Every parent should be very cautious while deciding this and while deciding this. Very, very, very cautious. 10th तक चल जाएगा बिल्डिंग, लेकिन 11th 12th में नहीं चलेगा. Every parent should be cautious कि टीचर कौन है, स्कूल कौन सा है. Every parent should be cautious. Many times you might have to do things which might not look logical to you.
Correct. So for future, this is like you while buying a shoes, you think so much. You are deciding your kid's future, so at least do some research.
तो रिसर्च करने का रहता है पेरेंट के केस में, बिकॉज स्टेक्स आर अगेंस्ट. 25 में से 22 lakh students are going to give up. And all these 25 lakh students are the good one. Please remember that. Only the
who started preparing. They have that.
जो स्टार्टिंग में खराब होता तो आर्ट्स में चला जाता.
हाँ, वही जिन्होंने ट्राई किया, जिन्होंने वहां से आने कि हाँ I can do it.
10th standard पे जो क्रीम है
वो था ये.
That's that cream basically. It's a cream of 10th standard. 25 lakh students in the JEE, 40 lakh students in case of NEET. That's the cream of 10th standard ultimately. Every parent has to be extra cautious while thinking about these things ultimately. Okay, these are the problems. This is what will be happening in the coming 2 years. Now, what are the problems which is causing this thing? We'll be discussing about this in the next video. तो उस पर पूरा फोकस करना होगा, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या क्या आने वाली है, what are the problems which are supposed to come, and what can be the possible solution for those problems. I'm talking about possible solution, not the exact solution.
Solutions. What we think.
What we think. So there is always a scope of mistake. The solutions are based upon our own experience. So uski basis pe chalta hai. So in this case, every parent coming to you, please be very cautious, very cautious. 25 में से 22 lakhs. And इसमें भी सारे अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं. It's not like कि आपका kid नहीं जाएगा. And majority of cases we used to joke earlier, board top किया selection नहीं होगा.
नहीं हो सर.
We used to say topper है board का तो
नहीं
selection
होगा.
नहीं होगा. वो दिक्कत वहीं पे आ जाती है उस जगह पर generally. So the thing is, what kind of marks the student is getting in case of 10th standard
Doesn't
not the
matter.
factor.
Doesn't matter much in 11th and 12th. And
11th, 12th is completely different ball game.
and J mainly in competitive that doesn't matter.
Competitive exam, it is not going to matter at all. Perseverance is the key. Then second आता है hard work and third आता है key. And hard work of the coming 2 years, not the hard work of before 10.
Yeah.
Coming 2 year ultimately. Okay. So next video we will make, and that video will be discussing about the problem areas. The parents, every parent has to focus. Okay. Thank you.